What? The world, it's not a plan. You just watch what go on, you know. Carefully. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know what's going on. When you come for represent. Full effecting, man. Wait, can I flip the script? Yes. We sure do. You don't know what go. A full effecting, man. You don't know what go. When we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Thank you. What? Here nation people. We don't know what go on. We don't know what kind of problem I go on with Nicki Minaj. You know what I mean? Right now, I don't know what she hear about who her boots are up. But best if she stay over the hip-hop world. Don't come over here and think you can challenge Gaza Nation. It not gonna go easy. You go on crying at the end of the day. No lollipop thing in it, no gimmicks thing in it. We're not easy people for deal with. The world boss telling that already. Say not even him can control Gaza Nation. You know what time it is, it's if you keep your ass quiet. No joke thing that about it, because I don't know what kind of vibes thing you bring up right about now. Yo, people, remember saying, you know, the world boss, you know, Zen, remember, you know, said the G, you know, go up on an interview, right? And the man go up on an interview, and the people ask the man about him two favorite female rapper in America. And the G replied to the people I make them know. Say right now, Cardi B and Lil Kim. And for some reason, I don't know if I that make Nicki Minaj in her feelings right now when she run and I say vendetta and I say people not loyal and this and that. I don't know how loyal forward into that. Nicki Minaj never said being him on a fair king of the dancehall. Gaza Nation never have a problem with that. The world boss said, I look at him and ask Claude Carly B, I'm artist. And I don't know if at that she in her feelings, sir. If at that make sure chat all type of fuckery she chat say. There's when I say, let me tell you something, Nicki Minaj. You can't go up against Gaza Nation. But best if you stay over TikTok with that stuff there, where you enjoy over TikTok with your TikTokers. Don't bring that over YouTube or Instagram to Gaza Nation, because it's not going to be easy. That's what I say. No joke thing that about it. No gimmicks thing that in it the way I represent right now. You see it? Yeah. Because all of a sudden, I don't know what change. You see me? What they am here run out and I tell the people them for low vybz kartel because them just come out of prison or etc. What change now, lady? What change? Because him go up on the Jinx truck and them ask him two best female rapper. So what? Him not for have a choice of him own. Yo, a lollipop thing you go on with, you know. A gimmicks thing you go on with. But anything you go on with, you can bring it. It's a good look for you to say, well then, you want to be a vendetta. Go say if you can find a crossover song with him. No lollipop thing in it. Because you know Gaza Nation, no worry about that. You see me, I win a whole back youth. You see what I say? So that not frighten away. And that now amaze with Nicki Minaj. The big bad album of forward. You hear that? Jizzle up on it. I be international at the planet Nicki Minaj. You see me? You know that already. The world boss not really need your help to be a factor now in the music. You see what I say? Because when you know about the world boss, him already established big already. You hear that? And you know that. And everybody know that. You see what I say? So no joke thing that about it. Don't matter believe say is a TikToker you deal with where you throw a lion and the whole of them jump on your side. I don't know like that you deal with, my brother. A world boss you deal with the hit maker. You see what I say? Them G then need your help for a clot. Monitor. Now run dance all. You hear that? You're supposed to know that. You know that you know see I prison the G forward from 13 years and still I sell gold record in a prison. Right now you're out in a Nicki Minaj and it's been a minute now, you know, since you don't really find a big hit like that, you know. You see what I say? So don't do it. You know what I mean? And act like the world boss is a TikToker where I look for you for true lion to help him in a no situation. Don't do that. The hit master you talk about. You know what I mean? You don't have the amount of hit where world boss have. You don't have that in a hip hop. Like what the world boss have in a dancehall. You see it? Don't bring it. Understand yourself, Nicki Minaj. You see what I say? Yeah. And don't act like say you want to go up against the world boss and Gaza Nation. Because I said to you, it won't be easy. And I know it will be you crying. You know what I mean? Yeah, you will be crying. No joke thing that about it. No gimmicks thing that about it. You know what I mean? To the way how me I represent. You better make certain when you know you go up against vybz Kartel and Gaza Nation, you better understand say anything at all goes. You know what I mean? Yeah. I don't know how the world boss get into your blood clot feelings. You know what I mean? So through the world boss now call your name. And the jinx truck say you are one out of the two favorite female rapper them. You're into your feelings. So what? Him not have no feeling of him own or not no choice of him own. If him not say Nicki Minaj, him not say no utter Ross. That's what I say. Anyway, Gaza Nation, make we go and watch what go on. You see what I say? Yeah, we're going to go and watch what go on. And if any other flare up, you know what time it is. You don't know what clears the shellings. The next time, you see my step. What? Pick up the whole of FME. Federal Music Entertainment, Federal Gaza, big up the whole of Trenchtown, the whole of Denantown, the whole of Rosestown, the whole of Arnett Garden, Jungle, Craigtown, Almontown, the whole of Tivoli Garden, Waterford, don't know the badness going on. The world boss touch the road with the clip them load. And the general, the 10-star one, I represent. Oh.